As we join the world in honoring those who have trailblazed and sacrificed for the betterment of our nation, Family Christian Center would like to recognize some of our church family who are making a difference in their community. Regina Davis Titsworth is an ordained elder of Family Christian Center and one of the first Black business owners in Lansing, Illinois. She and her husband of 35 years own My Gina's Christian Childcare and Community Services. Together, they have 4 children, 1 daughter-in-law and 1 son-in-law. Their youngest son passed away of leukemia in 2015. She's been a community organizer and member of South Suburban Action Conference and Gamaliel of Illinois and Iowa since 1996. Regina is a juvenile prison minister and is currently the PTA president of Memorial Junior High School. She's currently serving her term as a Human Relations Commissioner of Lansing, Illinois. Regina Davis Titsworth, we honor you, and may God continue to bless you and your family.